I just came back from the palengke and now I need to go out again to buy some more grocery kasi may pang stocks na kailangan. May contacts pa na kailangan for dito and yeah. Liit-liit na aso, sobrang ingay. Daming energy. Imo! We need the outfit. Okay guys, so this is probably one of the reasons why hindi ako nagba-vlog lately kasi sobrang dikit-dikit talaga yung trabaho dito sa province namin and hindi ko na ma-insert. And yeah, it's been May 3 pa kami nag-open and it's currently June 15 na and ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog or nakapag-isip mag-vlog kasi busy akong nag-manage nung business nila mama. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. And ako yung namamalengke, ako yung magma-market, mag-grocery, and mag-cashier kasi yun nga GCT pa naman last month. And until now, and nandiyan naman may tao naman na kami now, pero still kailangan pa rin iman yung cashier, so ako na rin. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Diyan ka na ako. And now, tapos na ako mamalengke and I'm just going to get some more. May mga gulay kasi nawala sa palengke kanina, so I think nasa grocery siya ngayon. And also, I'm gonna get some breakfast kasi medyo matagal na ako walang fast food. Mga 3 days. Mga ilang araw na ako walang chicken. Puro ano lang yung kinakain ko sa McDo ngayon, yung egg desal. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get some chicken today. And sobrang gloomy today. Ito yung itsura ng grocery dito sa amin guys. So I'm off to get breakfast now. Kasi tapos na lahat ng errands ko for this morning and yeah. And later, since nakabili naman ako ng kimchi kanina, ingredients ng kimchi, so I'm going to make kimchi. I'm going to make kimchi mamaya and I think I'm gonna film that also for this one. Sobrang init mag-mask guys, the struggle is real. It's currently 8:52, so I only spent 10 minutes or 15 minutes dun sa grocery. Wow, nakasama McDonald's. I don't know if you can hear this clearly, pero yeah, yung iPhone lang yung gamit ko right now cause hindi ko nadala yung camera ko. Isang chicken McDo lang.
Pasok po ako sa skill sa pagtama po yung order.
Okay. Yan lang.
Virgin daw, thank you.
Thank you. Done with all ang dadaanan ko and I'm off back to work and I'm just gonna eat breakfast and then I'm going to be the cashier na maya. So that's my agenda today. And nandito, if you guys are wondering kung nasaan ako, I'm still in the province in Davao City. This is basically where I'm at na usually, and I just go back to Davao every now and then. And since GCQ pa ngayon and still on lockdown talaga yung Davao, mahirapan pa rin pumasok, so I just ought to be here na lang. It was my choice. Mas gusto ko magstay doon actually, pero March pa lang nag-stop na sila ng inbound dun sa Davao, so stuck din ako dito. Hey guys, I'm currently home, back in the office, and I'm gonna have my breakfast right here, and I got takeout from McDonald. And I've been craving for chicken kahapon, so since yung nakakain ng chicken kahapon, hindi ko siya kain tayo. And if you guys have noticed, ganun talaga yung araw ko dito usually, every day. Dikit-dikit, so when I wake up, I really need to shower na, I need to go, kasi sa palengke hindi palagi available lahat ng kailangan mo, so kailangan mo mas maaga, kasi in other days, kailangan mo talaga magmaaga kasi mauubusan ng stocks, so kung hindi mo agahan, wala kang iuwi na stocks. And usually I watch TV while doing this. I watch YouTube while I'm eating my breakfast and while I'm doing YouTube. And while I'm watching vlogs, eating breakfast, meron nagpapapansin dito.
It looks like a
Emma!
super messy.
Emma!
Hey, skincare. Okay, I'll be needing this.
Finished with my breakfast, and so I'm gonna show you guys how I make my morning coffee. I already posted this on my Instagram the other day, pero I think I'm gonna show you guys on the vlog. So what I do is, dito mo lalagay yung coffee. And this is the ground coffee na binili ko sa locally dito sa palengke, and ito sila talaga yung supplier ng coffee na local dito. So I specifically made it na pag-ground for yung espresso, so hindi siya masyadong fine, as you can see, kasi iba yung grind niya. Every coffee maker has its own na klase ng ground or something. Depende talaga sa coffee maker if you're gonna make drip coffee or yung ganito espresso coffee or coffee maker or brewing coffee or brewed coffee. But I'm gonna make an espresso shot, so lagay ko lang dito. Siksik lang yung coffee para sulit. And I usually put 3 shots of espresso on my coffee kasi yung machine ko hindi masyadong high-end na coffee maker. So if you're gonna buy like yung mga Breville and yung ibang brands, DeLonghi, mas better talaga yung brew nun kasi mas dark yung coffee niya, and meron ng coffee grinder. So since wala ako nun, ito muna. Ground na siya, and ito. And I put 3 shots of espresso kasi yun yung pampagising talaga sa akin. And ano siya, and I think I need to warm up pa yung coffee machine. And usually I put 3 shots kasi mas darker yung labas niya if I put 3 shots, kasi pag 2 shots lang parang medyo nabibitin ako. So yeah, I'm gonna put 3 shots. I'm gonna warm up the espresso machine lang, and then I'm gonna get my milk. Here is the milk. And usually what I do is I put my espresso coffee first kasi ni-reverse ko na siya. I put my espresso coffee first and then put the iced coffee, tapos yun, milk and a little bit of whipped cream. So ito, konti na lang siya actually. That's the first 2 shots and yeah. And I'm going to get one more. Yan. Yung half niya is 1 shot na. And I'm gonna put a little bit of whipped cream kung meron pa. Wait. Ang tigas nito. Full cream milk. Until mapuno lang yung coffee. There. There's your iced coffee. Now I'm done with my coffee. I usually put sugar, and since every day ako nagko-coffee and I put full cream milk and whipped cream, so I bought some cocoa sugar tapos para less guilt yung coffee ko every day. So I put a little bit of cocoa sugar para mas matamis. Konting adjustment lang siya when you drink it, pero yeah, sarap pa rin siya. So this is how it looks, guys. Good morning. I'm gonna show you guys pa pala yung kimchi recipe. I'm gonna film that later. So I think I'm not gonna film yung pagkakashare ko mamaya. So yeah, doon na lang mamaya. See you guys. These are the ingredients of the kimchi that I'll be making. And kimchi powder and ano pa ba? Let's start.
Then you will split this corn in half and carefully put the cap on the corn. Go ahead and chop. Once you put the style of kimchi, I like to keep the wings cold in the cooking for about 2 hours, and you will rotate them every 20 minutes or so. You'll gradually see the volume of the cabbage diminish.
Okay guys, di pa may pa voice over. Pero basically, I'm gonna show you guys how I made the kimchi. But I actually just watched Erwan Yusuf's recipe. Sinundan ko lang yung sinabi sa video niya. What I did was, I'm gonna show you guys the recipe. It was 2.5 kilos of Chinese cabbage, half cup salt, 2 cups water, 2 tablespoons of glutinous rice powder, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 8 green onions, 30 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 1 white onion, half cups fish sauce, and 2 cups of gochugaru. And what I did was, I followed the whole process of mixing everything and cooking everything, but I mismeasured my Chinese cabbage. Medyo napasobra ata sa ibang ingredients kasi my Chinese cabbage was just 1.5 kilo lang ata. So if he used 2.5 kilos of everything, so medyo sumobra talaga yung ingredients ko. So yeah, that's just a thing you should consider. And I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys my whole day, pero if this is the end of the vlog, kung makalimutan ko mag-film mamaya, I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Jeffrey Mondia, and see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!